Hopefully.
It's gonna be so good. We can play house
Yep.
as well as running around murdering everyone.
Do I need to get Tarkov?
Nah.
Eh,
I like it.
I like it. Big learning curve though.
Yes, you start.
And it's expensive.
Power Rage quitted out that game. Because,
Oh really?
yeah, remember? Fucking. He just kept dying. He was like, no, fuck, this game's bullshit. And just stopped playing. But yeah, it's quite an expensive game.
1 gold lock off and
Nice.
lockpick's gone.
Damn.
Need more.
Yeah. Cheerio, so.
There's no blueprints showing anything up, guys.
Maybe whoever had the blueprints not logged in.
Or is it ET?
Could have been. I thought I had one. Shit.
Door is open.
It's where the bush is.
And we have to watch the gap. And also up this and this gap.
Which gaps is it?
And
This
nuts.
one?
This gap. And there's a gap here in the corner and the
Ah,
2
that's the
windows.
one.
And the 2 windows and sorry, 3 windows. And I'm lockpicking from the side. They should hear I'm picking, so be careful.
What the fuck? Where did it spawn me?
Door is open.
That was quick.
Opening. Opening.
Hold. Okay, I'm going right.
Left clear.
Right's clear.
Yep. Chests a lot.
Any idea where the flag is? It's accessible.
Yeah, flag is here too. SVD. Thank you.
Nice.
Yeah, chests are pretty much full. Lockpicks and everything else. A lot of M16 ammo. Fuck. Ah, compass.
That'd be enough here to make a flag if we want to.
Nah, leave it for him. Them.
Who wanted AK ammo? Is that you, Wally, or
Ghost.
Oh, I need M16.
Someone running?
Me.
it's well?
Okay. Ooh,
Need some M16 ammo.
fuck.
Hey,
Big banger is...
I'll pinch that ammo if it's spare. Unless you need it.
oh, there's a good amount of SVD ammo. Yes, there we go. That's what I wanted to see.
Aha, backpack. Finally.
Is that a spare vest on the ground? Or?
Yeah, everything
Yeah.
here is free game basically.
You can also search the bodies if you can.
There's some lockpicks. I'm gonna sell some victory fireworks.
Just be careful so we don't have the attention too much, I guess.
Just don't set them off now.
Yeah, just when we go away.
Fine.
Oh, look at poor boy.
Anyone want an M82 scope?
Only if there's a rail for a car 98,
No.
then I'm good.
There's plenty of M82s though.
No thanks.